Hey guys, good morning. It is Black Friday morning and I'm coming at you guys with a pretty big Black Friday haul. As you guys can see, honestly I did not expect that I was even going to do this video because I didn't think I was going to go to the mall and shop. I did also make a pretty large order on Lululemon, so when that package comes I will show you. As you guys can see, I got all of this and some of that as well, so I am going to show you guys everything that I bought. Starting off with Bath & Body Works, they're actually having their buy 3 get 3 free sale, so you can buy 3 things and you get 3 things for free. When you're shopping this sale, obviously I suggest doing things that are priced kind of the same. Like there's no point of buying 3 candles and then also like 3 little hand creams because you'll get the little hand creams for free. If you are participating in the sale today, buy 6 things that are priced the same, and then if you want to buy like hand creams and little smaller things, go ahead and just make a separate transaction, so then you have, you know, 12 things but 6 and 6, because it's gonna be such a rip-off if you buy 3 candles and then 3 creams, because you only get those for free and they're honestly like less than $10, so keep that in mind. But I did do a bit of shopping. I only picked up 6 things. So item number 1 that I got was this Winter Candy Apple hand soap. I wanted something Christmassy and cute for the bathroom, and I think this is really cute and I like the scent of it. I saw this in store and I ran to pick it up. Look how cute the packaging is. First of all, it's just so pretty, and this is in the scent Rose, which this is becoming one of my favorites really quickly. I have them in the hand cream and I saw this and I had to pick it up. They didn't have any other body care with it, so just picked up this. This is the Shea Butter Cleansing Bar. Also did not know Bath & Body Works had cleansing bars. Actually picked up 3 of them. And lastly, I picked up the You're the One hand creams. Absolutely love this scent and these hand creams. And if you guys don't know, every month for December I do giveaways and I have a bunch of prizes lined up and everything already, but one of the prizes you guys suggested is I make a kind of like gift basket of like Christmassy things and also my favorite things. So I'm working on grabbing a bunch of different things to put in a basket, and I'm gonna do 2 separate ones. So I am just gonna start picking up doubles of things, and obviously had to include something You're the One scented because it is my favorite and I absolutely love it. Next, I think let's do V & Rose because I did a lot of damage at V & Rose. Like I have 2 big bags and they were having a buy 1 get 1 free sale for some items, and then they're also having a stack and save where the more you buy the more you save. So I did participate in that. First up, I picked up pajamas. So for these little gift sets that they have, they were having a sale where they're originally I think like $39, $40, but if you buy 3 you get them each for $19. So that's what I did. I actually picked this up to give to my grandma. She wants pajamas for Christmas, so I got her this really cute one. There's like little hearts like hidden in the pajamas and everything, in the snowflakes, so I picked this one up for her. I also picked one up for myself because it was so cute and I love the color and it's very Christmassy, and they're also so soft. Like this fabric is just so incredibly soft. I'm obsessed with it. So I picked up this one for myself. I just got it in an extra small. I just realized I left one downstairs because I was showing my parents, but it's similar to this one, just in this material. They are different materials. This one is a button-up one, and I feel like this one's a little bit more stiffer material, where this one is like a plushy kind of material, and this one is one you throw over. You don't button it up. So I got my grandma one of each just to see which one she liked better. So I picked up a button-up one for her, and then also one of these in like a pink color. And then for buy 1 get 1 free, item number 1, I actually picked this up for my mom. So I hope she doesn't watch this. She watches a lot of my videos, but I'm gonna tell her not to watch this one because this is gonna be one of her Christmas gifts. But I got this super soft like fleece plush sweater. This is what it looks like. So freaking cute. It's a cute pink color and it has 2 pockets on each side, and then there's buttons over here. It's like a half button down. looks like that. Anyways, I had one from Victoria's Secret pink. It was brand new. I had worn it like once or twice, but she was so obsessed with it, so I just gave it to her as like, here, you can have it. And she wears it all the time now, and her favorite color is pink. So I saw this and I was like, absolutely need to get it. It's so soft. Like, it's literally like having one of those big fluffy, like fuzzy blankets, and just, oh, it's so soft. Absolutely love it. It was $39.95 and I picked it up in an extra small. Then to get my money's worth, because I tried to put everything like close in price, like I said, so I picked up these pants for myself. They were the same price, $39.95. I picked them up in an extra small. They have cute little snowflake details over here, if you can see, for the buttons. They're just super soft pajama pants and they just go all the way down. But oh, again, these are super soft. They're not fluffy like the sweater kind of material, but they are just a very, very, very soft material. I was just honestly obsessed with the buttons. Like, look how cute the buttons are. And they're fake buttons. You just pull it up. You don't actually use the buttons, and it has 2 pockets. Next up, we got scrunchies. This is kind of like the towel material. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but they've made scrunchies where it's towel material and it's supposed to help your hair dry and everything. I asked if these were the ones, but the lady helping didn't really understand what I meant. So I don't know if these are the ones, but they kind of feel like towel material, very soft. I don't know, they're cute, so I picked it up in this color and then this color as well. Next up, I picked up some pajama bottoms. Honestly, these ones are so cute. They're a pink color, flowy, just comfy pajama shorts. They do also have pockets. Love the pattern. Got this in an extra small. It was $19.95. And I also picked it up in this really cute purple color because once I love something, I need it in multiple colors. But to match the pink one, I also did get the top. It's so cute. I love it. It's like a short sleeve button-up top. Super cute. So I did get that one and the matching set because I actually love it and I'm obsessed with it. But then I picked up these shorts, which I kind of regret now not getting the matching top to this. I think I'm going to go exchange this one for the matching top of this one, which is the same as this one. I hope that makes sense. These are the shorts. I thought they were cute because they had like cute little stars, but these shorts are so weird to me. So this is how they are, right? This little string, I'm so used to having the string like this, where this is the front of the shorts, but this is it, and like the string is on the side, which I find super weird. I just don't like these. I like them a lot more on the hanger, and I didn't like them after I tried them on when I came home, so I will be exchanging this one. Pet value, I got some stuff for my dog. First thing, we got these random sticks, and then what I'm so excited for, and I will be doing this during Vlogmas, I got some ornaments that you make out of your dog paw print. I got 3 of them. They were on sale for half off. Each of them was $6. And I got 3 of them even though I only have 2 dogs. Well, I have 1 dog and then my boyfriend's dog, which is technically my dog because, like, I love them. So I got 3 because I want to give one to my brother as well of my dog's paw print. Or in case, like, we mess it up, we have an extra one. But this is it, and you can, like, hang it on the tree and then you just imprint their paw prints. So I don't know. A kind of cool concept. I feel like my dog is going to be a little bit easier to do with this. We'll see how my boyfriend's dog goes because he's a little more like crazy where he always has to move and everything, and I feel like my dog is a little bit more calm and like he'll listen. So I will be showing you guys during Vlogmas how I do that, and I'm super excited for that. Next up, we'll do Ardene's. So I quickly just got one thing from here. I saw this sweater on the window and I just had to go in because I thought it was really cute and like simple, and I love the color of it and I just had to pick it up. So this is it. Very plain, nothing special. It's just a cropped pink sweater. Cute little detail on it. Picked it up in an extra small. Originally this is $24, but it was on sale for $19. Moving on, another thing I'm actually going to start drinking and testing for Vlogmas is this Nespresso advent calendar. I saw this and I just had to pick it up. This was not on sale. I paid full price for it again. Hold on, let me open this. Ta-da! So this is the Nespresso advent calendar that they came out with this year, and I had to pick it up. I want to try every single one and do a review / taste test for you guys, but this is what it looks like. Holy smokes. So it just has them like listed and like day 1, etc, until day 24, and then 24 has a special surprise, which I hear is some sort of cup, and I love cups. I paid $50 taxes in for this, so I'm excited to try it, and I will have a video showing you guys every single flavor and a review. So again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And very last thing, oh my gosh, this video is super long. I actually bought some stuff from H&M. I bought it online, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys in this video. Item number one, we got this cute like scarf thing. It's just a scarf like this, and you wear it like this, like a little wrap scarf. So I thought that would be cute, especially to take with me in January when my boyfriend and I go away for a little bit. So got that. Then I picked up two sweaters, again same style, different color, but I saw this lavender one, and I don't have anything lavender, and I feel like lavender would look nice on me. So it's like a mock neck slash turtleneck crop sweater, and I just think it's gonna be really cute. Oh, actually I think it's gonna be really cute. But got this one, got in an extra small. It is still oversized, so I think even if you're small and you want like a tighter fit, then you can go for extra small. And then I picked up this really cute neutral, same exact one, very cute, again a neutral color. I just think it's gonna be cute for when I go away in January. So that is everything for this year's Black Friday. Actually, it's everything that I bought in store slash the H&M that came on time. Let me know some stores you guys hit up and what you bought for Black Friday, or did you not buy anything? Because honestly, I wasn't planning on, and if I didn't go to the mall, none of this would have happened, but I don't regret it that much. So happy with all of my purchases. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, as I will be doing advent calendar unboxings. I also have a massive Lululemon order coming from their Black Friday sale as well, which I'm so excited. I cannot wait for it to arrive. So as soon as it arrives, I'm gonna film and have that up for you. Also, Vlogmas is coming up, which means I will be posting every other day for the entire month of December, and I'm gonna have so many giveaways for you guys, just as a thank you for being here and supporting me, and just I appreciate you guys so much. So I really want to give back to you guys, so be sure to stay around for those videos. But that is everything. I hope you guys have a great Black Friday. Be safe out there. Don't leave any bags in your car. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.